Hey, Cmax here, coming to you with a special report on Winter Storm Helena, or Helena, or however the heck they say it. Bringing the special report from Northeast Georgia. Currently, you can see we are under a state of emergency. The governor issued a state of emergency yesterday at noon for this particular area, and I wanted to bring you a report on the horrendous conditions this storm has left in its wake. There have been several deaths associated with the storm. It is no joke. The what? Say that again? Okay, I'm getting reports now that Snow Mountain has been closed due to snow. Let me repeat. Snow Mountain has been closed due to snow. This is a breaking news report, and I will get verification of that before release of this video. Okay, originally we were to get 3 to 5 inches here, plus a lot of ice. Now we did get some ice, and conditions are worse on the northwest side of Atlanta. Once again, this is a report on January 7th, 2017. Winter Storm Helena, special report. Okay, while you people up north are laughing at what I'm saying, everything I'm saying is actually correct and true. We tend to freak out here down in the south, and in all fairness to our governor, who did issue a state of emergency yesterday effective at noon, 3 years ago, the city was caught by surprise, basically, by a storm, and a lot of people were trapped in their cars on the expressway and a bunch of other things. So now they're gun shy, and the least report of possible anything, they shut everything down. So why want you to think about this, you people from the north who are laughing at us down here in the south when we get this kind of weather. We get to do what you want to do. We go raid the liquor stores, we go raid the grocery stores, then we go home and eat and drink. So laugh all you want to, but just remember that we get to do what you want to do when this stuff hits the ground. All right, well, that's going to wrap it up. Cmax Arms Special Report. Winter Storm Helena, or Helena, or however the heck you say it, 2017. Thanks a lot. Y'all have a great day.